Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted accounts on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will go here to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Microsoft Teams and you will click in this page. Then we click on full stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.